Warga Patisi TV.
Katu kanimur gi kena ke biya khun na ke benta ke Pulit ke berang syudap ya ke physical efficiency test leni ke bagi khot ke PET bat kila syak ji ben shim se ke written test kila leit benya kendo yu chairman jong ke Central Recruitment Board ke badan PTS Mauro ban keli halo ke result nomor bakil up la Slem ya ka kinong pathai ku board lai kendo yu udi marak IPS ubulong chairman jong ke CRB benyo Jingshai ke bakham benya halor kani hakuwei ke bentapan nilai kenduk ru ya umi biang lenti kelab we negi kandidat ublalam khmat ya gani kajing kenduk jongki ha ka bola pensyai bakani ga datang kajing pan jing pensyai halo ke result badulo ong ru bakaru kompenya ya gani ke recruitment klalong ke basyai barki hun ni ke jubab ke baki layo
Kani jingi man kendu jingi mata kadai ningkong ba kumki aspirants ma ki applicants ikwa bonong bonyo jingtip kan kamdai ka protes tambang iwan tangmang inyo jingtip lanu mo ta result niyo marila shuya aptrang lanu niyo namar long ka dili te kala dili hi long nispa tip ka jingtip ko shisha menta te ka yo lai banai la tam ka banong kan ubnai te ki kampentip ma kan ubnai niyo ta results te komi home minister budon burom te ila ong hi ba hapo lai banai ne pendap ka results te tamba lai banai te kala atam te tam kumbang iyo kran isa dalton marak ila kran bakani ka recruitment kamdai na ka MLP kadai na ka company hi baka shim ka Slem na ki kan
kila semua hun ya kita jing cuba namun tak jing keli joki ku candidate
hoi ya kata tang ila hun ma bani bo ong bor syuskap on suja te ila hun ya ka juba ai mai nomor da kumno no i ong ba by October ne November kabon ka interview ba ka result se try ila ban pendap kadon be ka jengkerban iki ba yakun hot ba yakun hok ma nomor ba nganget ba kani ka recruitment minta kalong transparent ni nomor kamdan minta ki te kumi para ba yakun tengi tip ba da ba yakun hok ni try stom ngin yo ba la kanong de nomor ngi kumi pat ba tengi tip imdon haka bor ma mengintip ki baki yo tamba nganget kami ba dakno ba omo ite babyang ba ni ngiyahun kumbaong i samarak ya kata ka iong hi mairu bakani ka recruitment menta kalong transparent bakam don kita ki yung tau senam niki senam bulabut te nganget ba nani syakmat ru ikini ki results kay bukan swan ru kanlong fair ba ni banganget kami kata bukan long tahi.
The candidates today wanted to know when the written results will be declared. So I've explained to them that throughout this recruitment event, we have received around 172,000 applications. Out of which, around 128,000 candidates take part in the running the physical efficiency tests, and finally around 58,000 candidates have qualified, and they some of them came to appear in the written tests with few absentees. In total, around 54,000 candidates have appeared in the written tests. So right now, the firm which is engaged for conducting this written tests and the whole process of recruitment, they are processing the preparation of the result sheets. They are also handling a huge data of around 54,000 candidates, reading the OMR sheets where the answers are given. So they are taking some time to declare, but hopefully very soon we will be able to declare the results. As soon as they are able to submit the final result or the statement of the written exam, then CRB in a position to declare the results. Right now, it is not possible to give you the exact date, but hopefully within this month or by next month, we should be able to give the declaration of the results and start the interview uh, for the selected candidates. Uh, they wanted to know all this, so we have explained to them the position, and um, they appear to be satisfied with that explanation. Yeah, if anybody has any queries, any doubts, or any questions regarding the ongoing process of recruitment, you're welcome to come to CRB office or to come and meet me. I'm available in the police headquarters, and the CRB office is here, so I'm can be available here also if anybody want to meet me in person. Yes, physical efficiency test is compulsory. Only those who qualify in the physical efficiency test, they are selected to go for the written test.
There are more than 50,000 who are eligible for the written test.
Yeah. Around 58,000 candidates have qualified in the physical efficiency test. And finally, in the written test, around 54,000 candidates have appeared. And now the uh, checking is going on, tabulation for the marks of that 54,000. This is a very transparent process. Written test, there are three copies of OMR sheets. First, the main copy, then second duplicate copy, and the third triplicate copy. The first copy is taken for the company to do the scanning and assessment of the marks for the written. Then second copy is kept with CRB, and then third copy is with the candidates. And then we also declare the publish the answer keys for all these questions, so they can compare. The candidates are able to compare and see how much marks they would be scoring in the written test. So they already have got the marks of the PET, and then they also are able to calculate their own written test, comparing with the answer keys published. So they are able to know how much they would be scoring. So, but only thing is they are not able to know how much the highest score would be or lowest score would be among the candidates. That is the only knowledge they don't know, and that is being prepared by the firm engaged for this work, and then they will give that statement. And once it comes to us, then we will publish it. It takes time. We are dependent on the firm, the contractor. So they have taken little extra time. We were hoping to declare it the complete final result by first week of September. Our target date was 1st September. However, there is little delay from their part. That is why this delay. But then it will not be delayed further. Hopefully within this month or next month, we should be able to declare it and call for the interview of all the selected successful candidates.
Pin real squad, ya các tiên là dòng pin đâm cam, ya cả ba căn kiêu các tiên khasi, các tiên là dòng ai căn rồi căn pa. Balei phi on gate, habangi don la ka jong ka kan tiên khasi, kerdop lani phalor. Beli lani khang ya ka tu ka phalor ngi chu ya ong. Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong ban ya kiw yaw up, hinrangi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapati CTV, nakabenta ka jingmantoy upat ba.